Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from PayPal to SeaBank. First, ensure both your PayPal and SeaBank accounts are fully verified and active. You will need your SeaBank account number and other relevant banking details readily available. Understand that direct transfers are often the most straightforward method, but always check for any specific regional restrictions or requirements. We will cover the entire process, from linking accounts to understanding fees and processing times, ensuring a smooth transaction for your funds. To begin, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will find an option to link a bank account. Carefully input your SeaBank account details, including the account number and bank name, ensuring accuracy to avoid any delays. Once linked, proceed to the Withdraw Funds option. Select your newly linked SeaBank account as the destination and specify the exact amount you wish to transfer, keeping an eye on any minimum or maximum limits set by PayPal. When transferring funds, be mindful of potential fees. PayPal typically charges a small percentage for instant transfers, while standard transfers might be free. SeaBank may also have its own receiving fees, so it is wise to check their terms. Regarding limits, PayPal often has daily or weekly withdrawal caps, which can vary. Expect the transfer to generally take between 2 to 4 business days to reflect in your SeaBank account, though this can sometimes extend due to bank holidays or processing times. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all the entered account information for any discrepancies. A single incorrect digit can cause significant delays or even failed transfers. If the problem persists, do not hesitate to contact PayPal's customer support or SeaBank's help desk for direct assistance. As an alternative, you could transfer funds from PayPal to another linked local bank account first, and then initiate a separate transfer from that bank to your SeaBank account, offering a workaround if direct methods prove difficult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.